If you're having low views, no subscriber, no watch hour on your YouTube channel, and you're about giving up, this video is for you. Like, you've put in so much effort and your effort is not yielding results, you are at the point of giving up on your YouTube channel, please watch this video to the end, because I'll be speaking from experience. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Grow with Stacy. Here we'll talk about how to make money online and how to grow your YouTube channel. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, please subscribe to join us here for mind-blowing tips on how to make money online and how to grow your YouTube channel. Trust me, you will love it here. So I was talking about having low views, no subscribers, no watch hour, and you are at the point of giving up on your channel. When you scroll through YouTube channels, through YouTube, the streets of YouTube, you'll see so many abandoned channels. Trust me, there are certain things that would make people to give up on that channel, and I'll be giving like some points here that if you're a new YouTuber, maybe you have the intention of becoming a YouTuber in 2025, please take this tip very seriously, because it will help you to know what you're going into and not to get stuck along the way. I'll be speaking from experience because this is my third channel, and this is the channel that is even doing the least. Trust me. So when I'm talking, I know what I'm saying. I'm going to be mentioning about 3 points. There are a lot of them, but I'll be mentioning 3 points that will help you as a new YouTuber before going into YouTube, or maybe you have a channel that you want to take serious as a YouTuber, or maybe you want to just open a YouTube channel in 2025. These points will help you. Number one is, YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. No. You have the mindset of starting up a YouTube channel to make money fast, it will be very difficult for you to succeed growing your YouTube channel. So erase that mindset of making money, like mindset of getting rich quick. Obviously, people open YouTube channel with the aim of making money from it, but that shouldn't be your priority. If you have the mindset of making it quick before starting YouTube channel, you will get discouraged along the way. So that's the first point you need to have in mind, that it's not a get rich quick scheme. The second one is consistency. If you have a YouTube channel, or you want to open a YouTube channel, you have to have the mindset of being consistent with it, because trust me, what keeps most YouTube channels growing is consistency. You have to be consistent in posting every now and then. You have to be consistent. If you want to choose to be posting once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week or more, or every day, you need to be very consistent with it. That will help you. It will help you get subscribers. YouTube algorithm will also recognize you faster when you are very consistent. But you're the type that posts one video this week, it will take you like several days to post another one. You might not likely succeed on YouTube. The third one is to choose a niche that you love. You will likely succeed on YouTube when you are doing what you love. Like, choose a niche that you love, what you love doing. Like, you are the type that love talking about fashion, go into fashion niche. If you're the type that love talking about food, go into food niche. If you're the type that love talking about celebrity lifestyle, go into that niche. It will help you to loving what you do on YouTube, will help you to be consistent. It will help you to do it regardless whether you're having views, subscribers, or watch hour. Because you love doing it, it will keep you going. The zeal will be there because this is actually what you love doing. But if you're going into a niche that you don't know anything about, you just want to do because others are doing it, it might be very difficult for you to continue when maybe you're not having views, subscribers, or watch hour. But when you go into what you love doing, trust me, you'll be consistent. You'll be doing it with joy, hoping that one day it will pay off. So that's why before you open a YouTube channel, please check if that's what you love doing. Even if you're already a YouTuber and you're experiencing low views, you can actually rebrand. Rebranding is not easy. Like, this channel is currently suffering from the effect of rebranding. This channel was booming before, like both short, long videos. This channel was booming, but at a point I wanted a niche that will get to more audience, that would give me, visibility. I was into decor, house decor, interior decor, content. So as if I needed to change my niche to get to more people, because to get to the region that I want to see my content. So I decided to rebrand this channel to what I am currently doing, because I love what I'm doing right now. But rebranding is not easy, so this channel is currently suffering from the effect of rebranding. So you can actually rebrand, but at a point it will start booming again. It's just a question of time. So you can actually rebrand if you're doing a niche that is not giving you what you want. You can actually rebrand. Rebranding might take you like some time to to get back to where you used to be, but trust me, it will worth it at the end of the day. So if you need to do what you love doing for you to succeed. Like I love doing this, that's why even though I'm having low views right now, I'll keep doing it till when I will get to where I used to be, because this channel used to be very, very, you know, successful. I used to have views, subscribers, but after I rebranded, I'm still suffering from the effects. So don't be afraid to rebrand if what you're doing currently not giving you what you want. You can actually rebrand. Just do what you love doing. That will keep you going, even when you're not having views, subscribers, or watch hour. So I want to encourage anyone that is going through low views, no subscribers, no watch hour. You're stuck at a point. You can actually keep doing it. Just apply the points I've mentioned, and trust me, quitting is not an option. Trust me. I am speaking from experience. I have 3 channels. This is the one doing this is the least one. Other ones I have like 10k subscribers and above in 2 other channels. So I'm speaking from experience. So do not quit your YouTube channel. Keep pushing. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.